Yearning to travel abroad or anywhere in the country? Tourism Operators Unite in Region 7 or Tours 7 urges Cebuanos to head straight to Robinson's Galleria on September 13 to 15 as they host the very first Biyahe Tabay Travel Expo.
Okay, so Biyahe Tabay is a travel fair organized by Tour 7. Tour 7 is an association of travel agents based here in Cebu City. So today is a mix of travel agents, airlines, and hotel partners that are exhibiting their products and services today. So please do come and visit us here at Robinson's Galleria on September 13, 14, and 15 and avail of the promos and packages that the airlines, hotels, and tour operators are offering for this event.
Tourism is very close to our hearts. That's why anything about tourism, anything about travel, anything about Cebu is something that we really support.
The 3-day expo will be participated by exhibitors that include Cebu's top tour and travel agencies, hotels and resorts, domestic and foreign airline companies, and local and international tourism offices.
A total of 27 participants. Hopefully, with our massive marketing campaign, Cebuanos will come and visit us here and support the travel fair because there is a special rate coming from Cebu Pacific. They are offering low fares for their domestic and international destinations. And from our hotel partners as well, they're also offering a good rate. And especially from our member agents of Tour 7, they have their domestic and international promos that they're offering to the public.
Travel is one thing most Cebuanos enjoy. For Biyahe Tabay Travel Expo, big discounts and travel deals are in store just for you.
Definitely, Cebu City government will always be around. In CHAC, we are very focused on our program. In tourism, under Chairperson Jocelyn Pisquera and the commissioners, we already have all our activities already lined up.
Entrancing the center stage in this year's Travel Expo are the beautiful beaches of Siquijor and the recent theme parks in Cebu, like Anju World and Waterworld Cebu.
We are from Experience More Travel. We're inviting you. We're in stall number 4. Actually, this is our first time to be with this kind of travel fair. And we're new players in this industry. And also sa mga purpose nga nang namin dire is for us, new players in the travel and tours industry, for us to learn and how to promote Cebu and the Philippines to Biyahe Tabay.
We are launching an exclusive sale for all our Cebu destinations. So Cebuanos have a total of 29 destinations to choose from, some of which have access to the beautiful beaches in the Philippines, the likes of Boracay. So if you haven't seen the new Boracay, I encourage the Cebuanos to book now for as low as 99 pesos. So it is very affordable. So you can go to Boracay via Calibo. And then of course, there's also Dumaguete as another beach option. And if you want food and culture, you can go to Bacolod. Then for our international destinations, these are also on sale for as low as 799 one-way base fare. So if you haven't seen Macau and Shanghai, so this is the perfect time to go.
So if you're planning to go into your next big escapade, what are you waiting for? Book your adventure now.
In promoting Cebu, Biyahe Tabay Fair, come to Robinson Galleria. This is the place for all of us, for tourism to be alive.
For My TV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.